Alright, so kule video le ngifuna ukwenza le question le yang 2015 final examination. So it's a tree diagram question la bafuna khona sisebenzisele tree diagram to solve a specific problem, right? So instruction, there are T orange balls and 2 yellow balls in a bag, right? So we have a bag, and la kule bag we have T orange balls. Asazi ukuthi ayingaklama orange balls, right? But in this year's is that we have 2 yellow balls in that bag. Craig randomly selects 1 ball from the bag, records his choice and returns the ball to the bag, right? He then randomly selects a second ball from the bag. So it means lo muntu lo uthathe ibhola lokuqala, right? And then record choice yakhe ukuthi okay fine, ngithola ibhola eli-orange or ngithola ibhola eli-orange. Naqeda lapho walibisela back to the bag. So there is returning. It means the total sample space sakho asishintshi ke manje because you are returning the ball, right? The total number of balls won't change. All right, so he then randomly selects a second ball from the bag, records his choice and returns it to the bag. Should nale kwesi-2 nasekalikhipha uphinde walibisela futhi, right? It is known that the probability that Craig will select 2 balls of the same color from the bag is 52%. So it means the probability of getting the same color, it can be utterly orange from the first selection or utterly orange from the second selection, right? Or maybe utterly yellow from the first selection or utterly yellow from the second selection. And that probability is known, which is 52%. So calculate how many orange balls are in the bag, right? And in this case, the number of balls, they are T, which is an unknown, and it's made solve one of T. So orange. So let's draw a tree diagram. First selection. From the first selection, Craig can randomly pick, say, to T, not to T, but to in orange, right? So now to orange, what is the probability of getting an orange ball inside that bag? It's T over T plus 2 yellow balls, right? Because the total number of balls lawa lapha is that T lawa orange wonke plus 2 yellow balls. So this is the total number of balls inside the bag, right? So because there's total probability of orange, that is T, the number of orange balls divided by the total, which is T plus 2, right? But then what if lomuntu lobe atole yellow? Probability of getting yellow, 2 balls in that bag which are yellow, and the total is T plus 2, right? But lomuntu lobe, if after picking the first ball he returns the ball inside the bag, surely the total does not change. It still remains T plus 2, right? So for the second pick, let's say bekathola orange. If bekathola orange, angaphinde futhi athole orange or angathola yellow, right? If uthole orange, still the probability does not change because we'll be selling a ball orange, right? So still we have T orange balls inside the bag, and the total is T plus 2 over the total T plus 2. And what about yellow? For total yellow is 2 over T plus 2, right? Because we have 2 yellow balls over the total number of balls, which is T plus 2. So what if bekathola yellow kuqaleni? Okay, angathola orange was 2 or angaphinde athole futhi uyellow, right? So now uthole orange. What is the probability of getting an orange ball? That is t over t plus 2. But what is the probability of getting a yellow ball? That is 2 over t plus 2. Why? Because if uthole uyellow ekuqaleni, le yellow ball uphinde walibisele inside the bag, and total still 2 yellow balls, and the total number of balls inside that bag is still t plus 2, right? All right, so what is the probability that Craig will select 2 balls of the same color? So 2 balls of the same color, we have it's either an orange and an orange, or yellow and a yellow, and that is 52%, right? So nasibhala, we say the probability of getting an orange and an orange, which is t over t plus 2 times t over, so it's this t over t plus 2 times t over t plus 2, right? And that is the probability of getting orange and an orange, which is the same color. And another probability, or another possible way, is that you can get yellow and a yellow, and the probability is 2 over t plus 2 plus 2, times 2 over t plus 2, and tells you that the total probability is equal to 52%, which is 52 over 100, right? So simplification, we have t squared over t plus 2 squared, right, plus 4 over t plus 2 squared. This is equal to 52 over 100, right? And this is t squared plus 4 divided by t plus 2 squared equals to 52 over 100. So in this case, I'm going to say cross multiplication. So cross multiplication to be 100 times that and 52 times that, right? So we have 100 times t squared plus 4. 100 times t squared plus 4, this is equal to 52 times t plus 2 squared. 52 times t plus 2 squared, right? So say solve for root t, which is the number of orange balls, right? So that would be 100 t squared plus 400 equal to 50. All right, so 52, let's basically expand the part, we get t squared plus 4t plus 4, right? So that is 100t squared plus 400 equals to 52t squared, right? And then 52 times 4, that is 208t plus 208, right? So now total of 52 simixangale, then that would be 100 t squared minus 52 t squared, and started at 208 simixangale, that would be negative 208t, right? And started at 208 ayangale, then that would be 400 minus 208, that is equal to 0, because thathe konke okungapha right side misangale ka left, right? So we have 100 minus 52, which is 48 t squared minus 208 t, right? And then we have 400 minus 208, which is positive 192, and that is equals to 0. right? And kule stage le singasebenzisa quadratic, which is still fine, right? Or we can factorize, which is still fine. So nasolve le equation le, ama-answers eziwatholayo for u-t, we get two answers because it's a quadratic equation, right? And t, you can use quadratic formula, which is fine. So t is equals to 3, and omni t is equals to 4 over 3. But remember, we are looking for the number of orange balls, and a number of orange balls, it cannot be 4 it cannot be a fraction. Samapola I 4 over 3, it does not make sense. So the only answer that makes sense is 3. So Lena say cancel there. So it means we had 3 orange balls inside that bag. So in total, it's now 5 balls, right? So yeah, so this is how we get the number of orange balls, problem using a tree diagram.